Hello guys, welcome to the another video. So in this video we are going to make this scanner fragment. So we will use library for that, for QR code scanner. And in the last video what we have did, we made it a splash screen and we handled the camera permission. And in the second video we made it the bottom navigation view, and we arranged the fragment with this bottom navigation view. So now in this video we will make this scanner fragment and this flashlight on off button. So let's get started. So let's go to the Android Studio. We will first add the QR scanner library. So we are having QR scanner library. So we will get the library. So this TM77 barcode scanner library that we are going to use for the QR code. I will mention this GitHub link in the description, so you can just go to that particular repository. And in this we are having this. We will copy this and we will paste it here and we will sync it. So we will close this. So we need these icons for flashlight to on off. So you can just go to the repository that I told you to download, and in this repository you can find the flash on and the flash on and off. Both you have to just copy both of them and we will paste it in our project. Yeah, now it is done. Now what we will do, so we will first make the layout. So we will go to the fragment QR scanner and we will remove this text view. We will use here constraint. We will add image view for flashlight. So for now we will set flash off and we will hide this 30 dp and this will be 40 dp. Yeah, so we will see. So we will constrain with this parent, so we will take it to center and match its life with the parent. So it is not okay. We'll do by this. Now it is aligned with parent. We will add so we will add a frame layout for camera. So we'll frame layout, wrap content. This name will be container scanner. This will be the name. And we will align it also. So we will do this to parent. So we will align its top to the flashlight. Yeah, so we will match constraint, and this will also be the match constraint. Yeah, so now we have here our camera, and this is our, so we will use just 16. Yeah, now it's look good. So now what we have to do for on and off, what we can do, we can simply, we have selectors in our Android framework. So let's see how it's, so let's see how it will be done. So let's go to the drawable, create a new drawable resource file, name this as background flash selector. And in this we have the state of a view. So in the selector we can have multiple states of a view. So like if I have an item and its state is selected is true, then if the state selected is true, the drawable should be flash on. Okay, if the item is selected and it is false, then drawable will be flash off. Sorry, flash off. So what this file do, this will check if the view is selected, then it will set this drawable. If the file is not, if the view is, if the view is not selected, it will set this drawable. So it has multiple states like state checked, pressed, or hovered, so you can do it. So this will be okay for us. Now what we'll do, we will, in the background we will use the selector, and we will remove this here, and we will remove this. So now if this view is selected, then on image will be, on drawable will be there, and if it is off, then off drawable will be there. So let's give it id. Yeah, it's already has this id. So we'll make it this upper side, alt j. Yeah, so we'll change this id to flash toggle. So this is our flash toggle. So now we have done with the layout. Now we'll set the QR scanner. So we will go to the fragment. So the holding the view of this fragment, we will create a view object. So it will be private var, it will be late init, m view, and this will be view, and in this we will do view is equal to, sorry, it is m view, and we will return m view dot root view. Yeah, now it is done. We hold our reference. Now what we will do, we will initialize our QR scanner. So initialize QR scanner, we will create a function. We have spelling missed in initialize. Yeah. Now what we have to do, we will again create a scanner view, scanner view, and in the initialize we will use scanner view is equal to set sync scanner view, and it need context, so we will pass the context, and now we will set, so now we will set the background of this view. So background color, the background will be translucent, so we will use context compact dot get color. We will pass context and r dot color dot color translucent. Now we have settled the background color, and we have settled this the background color. Now we have to set this border color. So scanner view dot set border color, and we will use the same. In this we will use the primary dark. Yeah. Now we have to add laser, so there will be a laser, so we have to set, so scanner view dot set laser color, and in this again we will use the same primary dark. Now we will set the border width, stroke width will be 10, and we will set the scanner view autofocus true, and we will make this scanner view as square, so set square viewfinder is equal to true. Now we have done almost everything. Now we have to implement a result interface. So when the camera scans the QR code, it gives the result by callback. So we have to implement its result handler, implement our interface result handler, and we have to override one method. This is handle result. So in this handle result we will get the scanned result. Okay, so now we have successfully initialized our QR scanner. We will add this view to our frame layout, so it will reflect to the UI. So we have container, so we will not access directly because it is fragment, so we need its view reference, then container scanner, then add view, and in this we will pass the scanner view. So now it's successfully integrated with our UI. Now we will make a function private fun start QR camera. In this we will do scanner view dot start camera, and this libraries document mention we have to override the on resume and on pose, and we have to stop the camera because it will allocate the resource in the background also, so we have to release it. So for that what we will do, we will do the on resume, so we will do the same thing, So we have scanner view here. We have to set result handler also. This, because this indicates that this fragment will get the callback for the results when the camera scans the QR code. In pause also, we have to stop the scanner. So stop camera, and in OnDestroy we also have to stop the camera. Yeah, now we have so for now what we will do, when we get the QR code result, we will simply toast our result so we can see. So raw results dot text, and we will use toast dot short dot show. Yeah, so we'll show this, and we will start the QR camera while initializing. Now this is done. Now we have to handle the flashlight. So we will make a function. So we have to handle it in on clicks. So we'll make a function on clicks. In this on clicks, we will be having our flash toggle. We'll set the listener, and in this, if the view is selected, then on flash light, otherwise off flash light. So we'll make this function. I always mess with spellings. Yeah, so now it is. So in the on flashlight, what we have to do, we have to make flash toggle is selected is equal to true, because and so this will show the on image, and we have to set the flash is equal to true. Now we'll do the same thing in off. We have to make this is selected is equal to false, and flash will be false. Yeah, so now we successfully handle the flash and the on clicks. We initialize our QR scanner, and we will get the result in the handle result. So let's see. So we'll run the app and see how it's looking. So I will run our app. Yeah, so now you can see our camera is working fine. So let's see Flash is working or not. So when I click on Flash, no, it is not working. So if it is selected, then we have to off the flashlight, otherwise we have to on the flashlight. Yeah, now it's look good. Now we'll see. Yeah, now it is working fine. Yeah, so we have successfully integrated our scanner. Now we will scan the QR code. So let me search a QR code. QR code. Now let's generate a QR code. Yeah. So we will generate our QR code. This is dummy text. We will create a QR code. Now we will scan with our app. So we will scan with our app. So let's see scanning or not. I have to remove this. Yeah. So let's see. So yes, as you can see, it is not resetting after scanning. So we have to reset this. So you see, like we have to reset. We have to reset this. So we'll do. How we'll do? So we will go to our Android Studio. So when we get the result, we will do the scanner view dot reset. So we'll use the resume camera preview and we will pass this. And now we will again run our app and see it is resume support for scanning or not. So we'll scan again. Yeah, so it is scan. This is dummy text. Again it is scan. It is dummy text. Yeah, now it can scan multiple times. So we have successfully done our QR scanner integration. So but in the next video what we'll do, we will do the room setup. So that going to be quite interesting. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, namaskar.